And that's all our trip to Hat Yai, Thailand by Hat Yai. Ayan, balik na kami sa Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia by Hat Yai. So ayan na guys, check out na.
Okay, let's go guys.
Ready to go. Hi! Hi, Daddy!
Hi!
Kumusta ang mga tuhod?
Yeah, okay lang.
Okay lang. Ba't hindi kayo nagpamassage?
Pwede? Oh, wala na. Okay lang.
Kanina nagpamassage kami. Ngayon lang. Kami dyan. Ang sarap.
Sarap ba?
Sayang, 200 lang. Ang sarap. So, ayan na guys. Everybody is going out. Labas na kami sa kwarto namin. Diba?
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Okay, sawadi. Ay, sawadi ka. Kampung ka. Kampung ka. Sawadi ka.
Welcome.
Yeah. Nothing left. So, that's our holiday. Okay. We go back and eat ikan masin. We go very fat. You're very fat, ah. Keep on eating. Simila ko din ang taba ko, oy. Allah. There they are. Hey! Be. Yan na. Check out na. Ano? Tapos na ang kasiyahan natin? Okay na ba? Yung ano natin, Miss Hat Yai Thailand. Grabe yung splitting.
Pinapil niya yung...
Uy, grabe talaga. Grabe. Sarap ng massage nila. Super. So, ayan na guys. Turn over na namin to our tourist guide, the key sa Kampung Kap. Thank you so much, Mr. Bank. Ano na? Hi! Merry Christmas! Doon pa pala sila kagabi. Oo, nag-apat. Apati-apati pa sila.
Anong oras sila umuwi?
Iwan!
Ano naman kasi? Dapat hinintay pala natin sila.
Kaya nga. Sabi natin, akyat na. Akyat na din. Saan kayo kagabi?
Yun sa labas. Nag-ano kami nag-shopping.
Nag-shopping? Baka ibang shopping yun, ha? Ayan, guys. Yung mga barya, ilagay na. Hindi naman yun magagamit na.
Bigay na kami. Sa ano? Sa torno.
So, ayan na guys. Ready to rumble. Lagyan rumble sa gitna. Parang Kap. There. Put our things there. This one also you put inside the small bag. So, ayan na guys. Bye, Natalie. So, that is the end of our holiday. Christmas holiday in Hat Yai. Where are? Give me that back, Beauty. Hey, babe. Babe, put the things. Only the food. The plastic, you no need to put. Give me this one. Ayan na guys. yung bus namin. Pabalik ng Kuala Lumpur. Pabalik na kami ng Kuala Lumpur, guys. So that's the end of our Hatchay holiday. Ay, ang dami naming activities. Diba? So bye to the hotel.
Bye.
Bye hotel.
Bye.
Milano, why you didn't bring this? I bring. No wonder. I said, why? It's just like, I'm very tired, you know. Like this one is very heavy. Ayan. Ay, nakaupo na ang lahat. Pauwi na. Oh, na ayan. Hindi pa nagkasya. Ayan na, dami nyo kasing sina-shopping. Kaya ayan, di na nagkasya.
Isang bus pa na.
Oh. Ayan. Where is our plastic, Milano?
New Year pa. 7 pa kami. 7 pa. Saan pa ang ano nila?
This is the very big promotion for foreigner. I think more than 100 countries free visa for Thailand. For Thailand, because my government want to encourage the income from you, from the foreigner, to pay more for my country's business. Not only pay for the food or for shopping, but maybe you can rent the apartment for longer stay. 2 months. It means, okay, let's say you continuing stay for 55 days. Okay, you just exit from my country 1 day, maybe to Penang or anywhere, and you can come back maybe tomorrow. Sometimes the foreigner from Europe or from USA, they love to stay in Phuket, Phang Nga, Krabi. I mean the seaside. They love to rent the house in the coconut plantation, in the garden of the farmer, or something like that. Thank you very much, Kap. Thank you very much. Have a good journey, safe journey back to your sweet home. Okay, Kap. So after this, we exit from the downtown already. So we will straight only, and we will reach to the border in 45 minutes. I think we will reach around 12 o'clock. So please prepare your passport and review your passport. And more important than that, please notice your stamp. You must have the stamp with the one with the stamp, 2 with the correct date stamp. When you review your passport in the Malaysian side, 1, if you don't have this stamp, you must come back to Thailand again with the international motorcycle service between country. You come back 100 baht. You go back to Malaysia, another 100 baht. You cannot bargain because you cannot walk. But if you want to walk, it takes so long, you know, 2 or 3 kilometers too long. So please remind that you have the correctly stamp. Okay, it's very important. It's not happen with the foreigner only, for Thai also. My customers sometimes they didn't look it correctly, so they didn't have the stamp. But we can hear that people stamp bung 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 bung. But sometimes it's in the early morning, sometimes after lunch it's slippery. So the stamp is stamped already, but it's stamped on the table. Your stamp is on the table. Seriously, it's not on your passport. Bung, 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 bung. I heard every step of the word. Bung, 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 bung. Oh, okay, everybody have the stamp. So what's wrong with you? I stay with you just now. The why you stamp the passport, but you don't have any stamp on any pages. So please carefully your stamp. So I will remind you after you stamp the passport before you get on the bus. So I will say goodbye to you at Padang Besa border. Okay, Kap. So before this, before we're traveling, I let you lay back and you sleep, because I heard that some of you come back to the hotel in the morning, right? 3 o'clock. You quit from the party midnight, and where did you go next? The garden? Or any pub or any club?
40.
40 beside the
40.
Ah, with the karaoke. Nobody there, just only you and your group. Another disco, like next to the hotel, right? Very noisy, very loudly, very loudly. But this disco open until the morning. We call it pirate because in Thai we have the law to control the time for open and close. You can open until 2 a.m. Actually, by law, 2 a.m. After 2 a.m. you must close. But if
So, ayun na guys. Tapos na kami sa Thailand Immigration. Exit na kami. Papunta na naman kami sa Malaysian Immigration. And that's all our trip to Hat Yai, Thailand. Bye Hat Yai. Ayan, balik na kami sa Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Bye Hat Yai. See you next year. So that's all for our travel, our tour in Hat Yai. Sawadee ka, kampung ka, apatu. Kampung ka, Hat Yai. Di na ha. Mga naluya na oh, wala na yung power.
Wala na kwarta.
Wala na yung kwarta, wala na yung bat. Abat na, abat, lubat. Back to reality. Ipon-ipon na naman ang RM para makapag-tour na naman. Ganyan ang buhay namin dito. Yan, that's all guys. Yun lang yung ano namin. Pahinga muna kami guys kasi we have to travel 7 hours. Okay guys, kalabas na kami sa Malaysian Immigration. Ito sa Milano walang problema kasi scan lang diretso yung kami. Iniwan ako, nauna yung anak ko. Daming ano pa, chichiburitse. Andun pa yung iba, hindi pa nagpakalabas sa immigration. Maiwan yung balik na naman yun sa ano, Thailand. Sa Hat Yai. Oo. Especially yung mga tourist guys. Hindi pa, andun sa opisina. Iba yung ano sa mga tourist. Kami, ako, wala man akong question. Yung iba, pag tourist, daming interview pa. So, now we are here in welcome back to Malaysia. Be, what can you say about our holiday in Hat Yai, Thailand? Sawadee, sawadee, what can you say? You have fun? Huh? How's your holiday in Hat Yai?
Amazing.
Amazing. You have fun? Really fun. So again, next time, so we have to sleep first. Hintayin muna namin yung mga kasamahan namin guys. Kagabi antok pa ako. Antok ako, haggard. Diba? After sa holiday, haggard na naman. Milano said he's fat after that one. Keep on eating. Me too.
We only stop for toilet emergency if you want only, otherwise we express. Okay? Because I need to celebrate also for Christmas in KL. Yeah. Celebrate in my house lah.
We don't know everything also, huh?
Okay, dear travelers, thank you so much for join and support this $1 Million Tour and Travel Thailand tour, Christmas tour. Finally, we are success. Are you happy? Enjoy?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, I have a question one by one. Okay, how about the lunch in the first day and yesterday lunch? Okay,
Yes.
good.
Good.
Okay, how about the hotel?
Yes.
Okay, how about the tour guide service?
Perfect.
Excellent. Then how about the bus service?
Yes.
How about the my service? Okay. Okay. Anyway, thank you so much. We do our best, and I say thank you also for admin Jen here, and then travelers. I very happy yesterday Christmas party, and we have to say thank you for our agent here, the Hadja agent. They allowed to do our Christmas party in the office balcony, so we have to say thank you for it's the one of the boss for the agent here, the driver, our driver. Thank you, say thank you for our driver, please.
Thank you.
Okay, for Ravina agency, yeah, tour agency. Thank you. Okay, dear travelers, I think everybody tired, but don't laugh. Today Christmas ma. Okay, let's be do singing karaoke, dancing, enjoying. Okay, tired. Who tired? Sleep lah. Who want to enjoy. Okay.
So that's all for today. Bye. Kampung Kap. Bye. Bye. Bye.